Hi there, I'm Haley Shaver, a licensed professional counselor associate in South Carolina. I am a wife, a mom, a stepmom, and I know all about life transitions and the overwhelm that comes with them. I recently moved here from California. We are loving South Carolina so far. In our free time, my family loves to travel. We like the outdoors and just enjoying everything that the state of South Carolina has to offer. As a therapist, I try to create a space that is truly just genuine, down to earth, and a place where you feel like you can come judgment-free and be yourself. The clients that I typically work with may be experiencing a life transition, big emotions, anxiety. I work with many young adults, children, teens. I started my career off about 10 years ago in mental health as a school counselor, and when I became a mom, I made the transition to private practice. I have absolutely loved working in private practice. I see clients on a telehealth basis, and the modalities that I pull from are cognitive behavioral therapy and person-centered therapy. I do provide a free 15-minute phone consultation. I'd love to connect with you and see if we are a good fit. I look forward to meeting you.